Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about the gas stations in Jamaica. Now, I have noticed Jamaica has some very nice gas stations. We're going to show you the Fesco in Ocho Rios. And this is one of many gas stations like this. Now guys, I think Jamaica has gas stations on the level of gas stations in, say, the US or Canada. And I'd even go a step further to say some of the gas stations in Jamaica are actually nicer than the ones you find in a first world country. Look at this gas station. Very nicely done. And Fesco has actually built a plaza beside the gas station. Very nicely done. So guys, let me know what you think about in comparison of the gas stations in Jamaica to the gas stations you find in a first world country. Now, I've never been to England, so if anybody knows or wants to comment on what they think about the gas stations in Jamaica versus England, go ahead. But I know when you compare it to the US and Canada, the Jamaican gas stations are right up there with the rest of them. Alright, so this is in Ocho Rios. We actually were on the Ocho Rios bypass and then we turned into this development. And this is a new trend now. When you build a gas station, they just build a plaza with it, especially on the north coast. Very nicely done, very nice development. And Fisco is actually probably the fastest growing gas station chain in Jamaica. They are by no means the largest. Total is the largest, and then you have Texaco, and then you have Rubis. But Fesco is definitely on its way up. If memory serves me, I think Total has over 80 stations, and Fesco I think is in the 20s because they open a lot of stations. There's one in Chapelton. Quite a few Fesco gas stations have opened. I'm not sure what the final figure is, but they all look like this, or most of them look like this, and very, very nice, very nicely done, I must say. Very impressive. And they have a food court. Or it's not a food court, it's a mini mart that is a part of the gas station. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour and let us know what you think about the quality of Jamaican gas stations. Alright guys, have a